Virus is a microorganism that can infect plants, animals, and even humans. They are so tiny that they can only be seen under an electron microscope. There are many types of viruses and they are classified based on several factors such as the type of genetic material they contain, their structure and the diseases they cause. Some common types of viruses include DNA viruses and RNA viruses. DNA viruses such as the smallpox virus store their genetic information in molecules of DNA, while RNA viruses such as the influenza virus store their genetic information in molecules of RNA. Based on their structure, viruses can be classified into various shapes such as helical, icosahedral, or complex. Based on the diseases they cause, viruses can be classified as lytic viruses which cause the death of the host cell or lysogenic viruses which integrate their genetic material into the host cell's genome and can remain dormant for long periods of time. Viruses can infect all types of organisms including bacteria, plants, animals, and humans. They have a wide range of hosts and can cause a variety of diseases. Some well-known viral diseases include the common cold, flu, chickenpox, measles, polio, AIDS, and COVID-19. But now let's get back to our topic. While most viruses are harmful and cause disease, there are some viruses that can be beneficial to humans. For example, bacteriophages are viruses that infect bacteria and can be used as a natural way to control bacterial infections. Some researchers are even exploring the use of engineered viruses as a potential new way to treat cancer. Viruses have also been used as vectors in gene therapy to deliver therapeutic genes to cells. During the 20th century, viruses were used as biological weapons during various wars and conflicts. For example, the United States military considered the possibility of using viruses as a form of chemical warfare during World War II. However, this plan was ultimately abandoned due to ethical concerns. During the Cold War, both the US and Soviet Union explored the use of viruses as potential biological weapons, but these programs were eventually halted. During the Vietnam War, the US military conducted a secret program called Project 112. In this project, they infected monkeys with the smallpox virus and then released them into the jungle. The plan was to infect the Vietnamese soldiers with smallpox. But the plan failed because the monkeys did not release the virus in the jungle. In recent years, there have been several high-profile cases of viral outbreaks that have had significant impacts on global health and economies, such as the SARS outbreak in 2003, the H1N1 pandemic in 2009, and the Zika virus outbreak in 2015. These outbreaks have highlighted the importance of studying viruses and developing effective strategies for preventing and treating viral diseases. Let's discuss some interesting facts about virus. Did you know that viruses are responsible for many of the diseases that affect humans? Some viruses cause mild illnesses such as the common cold, while others can cause more serious conditions such as influenza and COVID-19. If you thought the common cold was just a minor annoyance, think again. There are over 200 different viruses that can cause colds, and they can lead to serious complications such as pneumonia and ear infections, especially in young children and older adults. Influenza, commonly known as the flu, is another viral infection that can cause serious complications. Every year, influenza viruses cause millions of illnesses and thousands of deaths worldwide. COVID-19 is a novel coronavirus that emerged in late 2019 and has since caused a global pandemic. The virus is highly contagious and can cause a range of symptoms from mild to severe. These are just a few examples of the many viral diseases that affect humans. By understanding how viruses work and how they cause disease, we can develop effective vaccines and treatments to protect ourselves against them. Now let's move towards some interesting facts about virus. Viruses are everywhere. They are in the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the surfaces we touch. They can survive on surfaces for hours or even days, waiting for a host to infect. Most viruses are not dangerous to humans. In fact, some viruses are actually beneficial. For example, the viruses that cause chickenpox and measles are highly contagious, but they don't usually cause serious illness. And once you've had them, you're immune from getting them again. There are also viruses that infect other animals. For example, the virus that causes rabies can be transmitted through the saliva of infected animals such as dogs, cats, and bats. One of the most important things to know about viruses is that they can mutate. That means they can change from one type to another. This can make them more contagious or more deadly. Vaccines are one of the most effective ways to prevent viral diseases. Vaccines work by exposing your body to a weakened or inactive form of a virus. This allows your body to produce antibodies against the virus without causing illness. Antiviral drugs are used to treat viral infections. Antiviral drugs work by interfering with the ability of viruses to replicate. Now let's see some images of virus. So friends, this was all about virus. If you liked this video, then please hit the like button and do share this video with your loved ones. We will see you soon with another very interesting video. Till then, bye bye and take care.